We have been learning about fractions and some time this term, and we already know a little bit about half past and quarter past. We also know about halves and quarters from our fractions. We know that the shorthand tells the hours and the longhand tells the minutes. We should also know that 1 hour is 60 minutes, half an hour is 30 minutes because 30 is half of 60, and a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. So 4 lots of 15 should equal 60. So we've got 1 hour, 60 minutes, half an hour, 30 minutes, and a quarter hour, 15 minutes. When it is half past, our hour hand can point to any one of those 1 to 12 numbers on the inside of the clock. So it can be 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, so on. Our minute hand tells us to think about the numbers outside of the clock, which tell us how many minutes have passed. If it is half past, 30 minutes have passed since the beginning of the hour. For this clock, it is 1:30. Have a think about how we would write that as 1:30. How would we write it as a digital? How would we write it in words? The minute hand is halfway around the clock. We can also have quarter past. That means that our minute hand points to the 3, which means it is 15 minutes past the start of the hour. It is quarter past. So this clock here shows what time? It shows 1:15 or 1:15. Have a think about how you could write that, showing the time on this clock. Can you see any correspondence with fractions between half and quarter?